The MEF SD-WAN standard is about a year old, and we are seeing a series of projects that are spanning the entire service delivery lifecycle. I am Marc Cohn. I am a principal technology strategist for Spirent. Spirent is the authorized certification test partner for MEF and responsible for the SD-WAN certification program. And Spirent has undertaken this program about a year ago. And over that time, we've learned quite a bit as we had an opportunity to see the various different vendor products as well as managed services that we've been able to certify. And we've watched the SD-WAN standard move from a piece of paper to a standard that's being adopted with greater momentum throughout the year. Some of the largest operators have now become certified, and it's getting the attention of others in the community who are now thinking about how they want to differentiate and how they want to conform with the standard. And the certification itself focuses on a narrow window, but the SD-WAN standard within the MEF is actually blossoming into a number of different uh, product areas or project areas, including service readiness testing. The MEF has a standard to help operators verify that the new site that they're adding or the connection that they're adding is functioning as expected prior to that site being activated. And that means that the customer doesn't have to be the guinea pig as that new site is being brought on board. And also, there's a compliance aspect as once the service readiness testing has been executed, there will be a record of that testing in what we call a birth certificate for that particular site or connection. Another interesting standards development is the upgrade to the MEF 70 standard. It's called MEF 70.1, or what we refer to as SD-WAN Phase 2. And in addition to a number of different enhancements being added to the standard, Spirent is actually involved in upgrading the MEF SD-WAN certification program. And what we can expect to see is in about a year, a new program that actually helps operators and vendors verify conformance with the new functional requirements that are a part of MEF 70.1. And then there's some additional work that's being undertaken, which includes the security work. And the standard project is called MEF 88, or the Application Security for SD-WAN. And that document defines a series of security functions that are expected to be deployed in a virtualized SD-WAN environment. And, um, and we have to think about when we talk about new security functions, how those functions might be verified as they are emerging into the MEF environment, because this is the first standard that has addressed in this security area. So what we can expect to see is a lot more progress in the year to come. MEF SD-WAN is a standards platform, and we expect to see a number of different new standards over the next 12 months.